Howdy y'all, Justin here with Summit Racing, and today we're going to install an S&B cold air intake on our 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 V8. Whether you're looking for a little more power or some better gas mileage, a cold air intake is a great place to start.
And it's one of the easiest bolt-on upgrades you can do, within 45 minutes to an hour. We're going to start off our install by removing the PCV hose and this sensor from the intake.
Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the upper part of the intake. To remove the lower part of the intake box, locate the two 8mm bolts in the fender well and remove them. You're going to want to remove the 5 wiring harness clips from the airbox mount. We're going to go ahead and install these two grommets in the airbox. Your S&B intake comes with this optional box plug. Per S&B, you should use this box plug in conditions of extreme heat wave. We're opting not to install ours. We're going to go ahead and install this barb in the intake now. Along with this rubber grommet. Following installing your rubber grommet, install the IAT sensor out of your stock intake.
We're going to go ahead and install the coupler on the throttle body now. We're going to tighten the clamp on the throttle body side, but leave this one loose.
Next, we're going to attach the snorkel tube seal to the snorkel tube. We're going to secure it with these little plastic rivets. Now we're going to go ahead and install our intake box and bolt it to the snorkel tube. This custom airbox will keep loose dirt and turbulent underhood air out of the intake, again helping maintain maximum airflow. We're going to bolt in the airbox using the factory hardware. Go ahead and install and tighten the two bolts in the bottom of the airbox. These hold up your inner fender well. Install your intake tube grommet, followed by the intake tube. The cross-link intake tube minimizes restriction. This is going to help your engine breathe in a greater volume of air. To achieve more airflow, S&B oiled cotton filters are built with 4 layers of high-quality cotton gauze. They use deeper and wider pleats with more pleats per filter. Plus, their manufacturing process yields filters with almost no bleed, creating a greater open surface area. All this adds up to more surface area per filter, and that means more airflow with excellent protection. We're going to go ahead and attach the PCV, the IAC sensor, and tighten up the intake boot clamp.
And last but not least, our airbox cover.
The S&B cold air intakes will not only give us more performance, but they'll also create a more sporty, high-tech appearance under the hood. The great-looking signature clear lid allows for visual inspection of your filter at all times, and the filter and couplers are made with silicone rubber, not urethane, to help ensure they won't degrade or crack over time. And they can resist temperatures as high as 400 degrees.
As we said, this is an easy bolt-on install that can be done within 45 minutes to an hour. Not only does it clean up our engine bay, but it's going to give us some more power and better mileage too. I'm Justin with Summit Racing. Thanks for watching.